When most people think of Las Vegas, they probably think of casinos, shows, and whatever happens there stays there. It's not true, by the way. But after the Golden Knights had the greatest expansion season in NHL history, they may be added to that list. Just how good was their season? Let's head into the casino to find out. Since 1990, we've seen 9 expansion teams enter the league. Let's start with points. Those 9 teams averaged 57 points in their first season, which shouldn't be a surprise. Expansion teams are supposed to be terrible in year 1. The Golden Knights had 109. That's thanks in large part to their 51 wins. That's more than double the 23 wins the other expansion teams averaged. And speaking of double, the Golden Knights' 8-game winning streak was exactly double the record previously held by the Lightning, Panthers, and Blue Jackets. Now, building a winning team is usually a slow process. It took the other teams an average of 5 seasons to get over the 500 mark. The Golden Knights did it in year 1 with a .665 winning percentage. None of those other teams won their division, won a playoff series, or even made it to the playoffs. The Golden Knights did all 3. Vegas, baby. Vegas.